Predator, guys. So I already miss flying this one because yan nga, due to bad weather that we always have in our spot, and I have a chance today to fly this one because today we already have a good weather, sunny and calm. So very calm day today. So this is I forgot the name of this. Anyway, this is the MQ Reaper design drone. So it is a 3-channel RC plane, very tiny remote or controller, and it has a on and off switch here. I'm gonna turn this on. You see the lights means turned on, then bind, of course, up down. Yeah, yun. Okay, join me for a test flight of this Predator 3-channel. Differential thrust for the turn and the elevator. Yeah, let's go. Hand throw. I'm gonna do a hand throw. Yeah, look at this, guys. Oh. With the simulated camera. This is a fake one. So it's like 500mm wingspan. Anyway, without further ado, let's go. Yeah, nice. This is full throttle, guys. Very slow turn, wide. Very wide turn. Ah, nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. Only that it has a very wide turn. Nice. Still flies excellent. Oh, why? Why? Land? Why? Low bat? Low voltage? Which one? Which one is the low voltage? Let's see, another try. I'm waiting for the beep sound. I'm waiting for the beep sound because I want to find out which one is giving out a low voltage alarm. Is it the aircraft battery or the controller's battery? All right, I don't know. Okay, I wanna land you. I wanna land. Which one?